CEN न्यूज, देश प्रदेश की ताजा तरीन खबरों के लिए CEN न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें और रहें पल पल की खबर से हर पल बाखबर।
Shia, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too.
कि क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, क्या चेंज आप गवर्नमेंट से चाहते हैं कि इस साल में तब्दीलियां आए, बदलाव आए? I'm doing good. Happy New Year.
Thank you. Same to you.
Kind of change and expectations you're having with the government. Okay, Anjali, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Stepping into the year of 2022 is again an opportunity for a fresh start. A new page is going to be filled, questions to be asked and embraced. So let's talk to the youth of Jammu and Kashmir, what they think, what kind of expectations and the change they are looking from the government. Let's go. Hello, hey, hi.
हाय,
आपका नाम?
मनदीप सिंह।
मनदीप, मैं आपसे एक सवाल करना चाहती हूँ कि क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, क्या चेंज आप गवर्नमेंट से चाहते हैं कि इस साल में तब्दीलियाँ आए, बदलाव आए?
अभी तो मैं एक ही बात बोलूँगा कि हमारी जो पंजाबी लैंग्वेज है उसको ऑफिशियल किया जाए जल्द से जल्द, क्योंकि इन्होंने बाकी सभी लैंग्वेजों को ऑफिशियल कर दिया, हमारी पंजाबी को इन्होंने नहीं किया। इसलिए जल्द से जल्द यही मैं एलजी साहब से भी रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि हमारी जो पंजाबी लैंग्वेज है उसको जल्दी से जल्दी ऑफिशियल किया जाए।
Hey, hi.
Hi,
Your good name?
Mashkoor Ilai Khan.
Okay, Happy New Year.
Thank you, same to you.
Okay, so my question is to you, it applies to you too. Like what kind of expectations and the change you're looking from government in Jammu and Kashmir?
We are looking for stability in our state, and you know the reason behind the instability in our state is that removal of Article 370, and after that the division of our state into UT, and then taking Ladakh away from Jammu and Kashmir and keeping Jammu and Kashmir as an
I think it was like it is an instability, it create instability.
See, we don't have I would like to say that we are politically orphan. Our state is politically orphan. We don't have any public representatives that are taking our grievances, that are taking our things seriously. See, we need employment in our state, we need infrastructure in our state, but these all things, all of us are, see, these all things are somewhere hidden. No outcome, no development in context of Jammu and Kashmir after removal of Article 370. See, I will quote a latest example. Jammu Kashmir Police SI recruitment is going on. And a couple of days ago, the last date for the examination was there, and syllabus for Jammu Kashmir Police SI recruitment is that of UPSC, this year's UPSC, and 3 things are being added to that syllabus, and after that they are giving only 40 days for student to get prepared for that examination, and all those other examination which have scheduled and which are notified a year ago, they are also falling on the same month, and this is some sort of insanity from the part of the policy makers, from the part of the administration. They are thinking like the students of Jammu and Kashmir are like aliens. They are coming, they are like the Rajnikant film robot. They will look on this book like this, and they will appear in the examination. See, these are the things where administration, where the state administration, especially the LG administration, has to look. And I would say one thing again, that in Jammu and Kashmir we require stability, we require a political representation, we require a government, we require elections, so that the voice of the general people, common people, may be raised in the assembly.
Hey, hi.
Hi.
Your good name?
Shreya.
Shia, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to ask you a question. What kind of change and expectations you're having with the government this year?
Okay, so I'm already seeing a lot of change around, and I've seen the roads are building, and there is a lot of new plans that government is implementing, but I just want those plans to get implemented, because every time government comes with new things, but it doesn't happen every time. So I hope whatever government promises happens this year. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi.
Hello.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too.
Okay, I'm going to ask you a question. What kind of change and expectations you are looking from the government this year?
For me, the priority is girl safety, and it will always be girl safety, like right now.
Same question.
Same for me. Girl safety is actually a priority. That's it.
Okay, fine. Thank you. I'm doing good. Happy New Year.
Thank you. Same to you.
Your good name?
Gurpreet.
Okay, Gurpreet, same question applies to you. What kind of change and expectations you are having with the government?
Okay. So the expectation, my prime expectation would be I would like the employment rate to increase. So many of our youth is unemployed right now, and and we do want that the jobs rate should increase in our industry, in our so many people are going towards foreign nations because they think that the salary scale is there, the growth is there. Why do they need to go there? Why can't we provide them those opportunities to actually so if Sundar Pichai is the CEO of Google right now, right? Why can't minds like those we can have here? That is my so what is the need, what is the reason behind that? Why our youth thinks that okay, we should go to Canada, we should go to US to gain good jobs. So why can't we provide them there? So this is my one expectation here. But the only thing that I would like to recognize government for that in this COVID time, the way our government dealt was very good. In most of the countries, the vaccines are getting provided by charge, but our government provided it free for all the people. That was a very good point I liked about the government. So my only expectation would be to increase employment, because that is very low right now, and us youth wants to have that more. That's it.
Thank you, nice one. Hey, hi.
Hello.
Your name?
Viram Datta.
Okay, Viram, tell me, if I ask you what kind of expectation and the change you want from government this year?
ऐसी कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है, यही जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है यही ख़त्म होनी चाहिए, और कुछ इतनी ख़ास हो। और एक आपके कैमरे के थ्रू मैं एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा, एक जो हमारी 23 सितंबर को महाराजा हरि सिंह जी की छुट्टी की डिमांड कर रहे हैं, वो है कि वो रिक्वेस्ट है, वो थोड़ा सा अगर कर लें, वो डिमांड वो हमारी पूरी की जाए। तो काफ़ी टाइम से हर प्रोटेस्ट करते आ रहे हैं, काफ़ी टाइम से ये डिमांड है, काफ़ी टाइम से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, पर ये नहीं हो रही। आपके कैमरे के माध्यम से मैं ये रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ कि ये हमारी एक प्रॉब्लम थोड़ी ठीक हो जाए।
थैंक यू। हाय।
हेलो।
योर नेम?
अमित।
अच्छा अमित, अभी व्हाट आर योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस? क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है इस साल गवर्नमेंट के लिए, कि क्या चेंज आप लुक आउट करना चाहते हैं? क्या आपको लगता है कि क्या किस चीज़ में बदलाव आना चाहिए?
सेम एज विरम से, जैसे उन्होंने बोला कि हमें जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ JNK में काफ़ी कमी मिल रही हैं, तो ज़्यादा सारा वो यही करे कि जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ बढ़ाए और ज़्यादा सारी कंपनियाँ आए, ताकि हमें भी थोड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले। हम भी मतलब जम्मू से, यही नहीं कि हम बाहर जाके पढ़े, जम्मू से भी बच्चे निकलने चाहिए, कि इनको भी पता चले JNK से भी मतलब बच्चे निकलने चाहिए। तो यही कहना चाहता हूँ।
ओके, थैंक यू। Hey, hello.
Hi.
Your good name?
My name is Vikas Manhas.
Okay, Vikas, just tell me what kind of change and expectation you're having from the government of Jammu and Kashmir?
The government which is yet to be formed, because right now we are under the Union Territory rule, and I think the full statehood is yet to be given. However, I think I did my college from here, and at that time Farooq Abdullah was the Chief Minister, and we've seen, in spite of everything good or bad, there were a lot of gaps as far as the governance is concerned. And as a student, I've seen the students were unhappy at that time, especially Jammu side of it, where the MBBS was a very, very closer to heart kind of a subject, where Jammuites never got those seats. In all fairness, Kashmiris were competitive, Jammu guys were also competitive, but as far as the allocation of seats were concerned, it was not given. So we felt betrayed at that point. But today, being a union territory, we feel that there is a kind of a justice happening to the state overall as a whole. While at that time somebody felt that Kashmir was given some advantage, but overall they were disadvantageous. However, Jammu always felt that they were at disadvantage. But today, I think scenario has changed. There's an equilibrium which is getting formed for the entire state. Due credit to Leh as well as to Kargil, though it's not part of the same Jammu and Kashmir as a state, union territory. So I think there is a light at the end of the tunnel now, is what I feel, though I don't live in Jammu anymore, but I come back and I feel there is a lot of positivity. I do real estate wherever I live outside Jammu and Kashmir, but I see that there is a lot of business being spoken with this union territory. And I think money defines a lot of things for people to set right. Freedom, justice is very important to humans. I think that's what is the feeling right now in Jammu, and it will give a lot of advantage to people, including youth, who's basically can inspire. We have an IIM in Jammu. Who thought about IIM some years ago? So with that being said, I think I see a lot of positivity, and I see for Jammu Kashmir, personally I felt that Jammu guys don't study, but now I feel that there is hope and there are opportunities. People can stay in Jammu and still do business. Like I'm planning to come back and open something here. So from that perspective, I see a lot of positivity. If it makes sense, that's what I feel today. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Hey, hi.
Hi,
Your good name?
Anjali.
Okay, Anjali, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
So I wanna ask you, like, what kind of expectations and change you want from a government this year?
Well, that's a good question. I have few points in mind. First of all, city should be clean. There should be few measures should be taken from the government, which is very necessary for the bread and butter of normal person. And there are so many other things, but for first and foremost is the cleanliness of the environment.
Okay. Any positive message you wanna say to the youth that are watching us?
Yes, definitely. I have one thing to say, which is stay motivated, stay confident, and be fearless.
Thank you. Okay, Dr. Abhishek, Happy New Year.
A very happy new year to you.
Okay, I wanna ask you a question. What kind of expectation? Same question goes to you. What kind of expectation and change you're looking from a government this year?
All right. The thing is that first of all, if we talk about government, I'm so much particular about policing. Like I really want that police should take care of the city, and they should not treat each and every citizen just as a terrorist. They should be quite more respectful towards them, so as people would be able to reach out to them whenever it is required. So this is what exactly very much essential, the change which is required here. Along the side, as I am the owner of Da France Coffee over here, what I would just like to make a request to the government and especially to the JDA to make sure this very particular building should be maintained the way it is required to be, and my humble request to you for that.
Thank you. Hey, hi.
Hi, hello.
Your good name?
Arjun.
Arjun, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too.
Okay, so I wanna ask you, like, what kind of expectations and the change you're looking from the government this year?
Actually मैंने ऐसा कुछ सोचा नहीं है, बट अगर मैं ऐसा सोचूं तो ट्रैफिक वैसे बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है, पर उसका भी गवर्नमेंट ने सोल्यूशन निकाला है। जैसे हाईवेज बन रहे हैं, ठीक है, नीचे रिंग रोड का स्ट्रक्चर शुरू हो गया हुआ है, मेट्रो का भी ऑलरेडी बोल रहे हैं कि शुरू हो गई है, जो कि हुआ नहीं है, पर चलो टाइम लगता है काम होने में, तो वो भी हो जाएगा। तो ये चीज़ें जो है ना धीरे धीरे ही सॉल्व होंगी, एक साल में ही नहीं हो जाएगी। अब आप मेरे से मांग रहे हो कि 2021 में ही मेरी क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है, 2022 में सॉरी, तो वो 2022 में ही नहीं पूरी होंगी, 24 तक भी जा सकते हैं, 25 तक भी जा सकती हैं। तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं है कि 21 में ही है, 22 में ही मेरे को चाहिए। तो गवर्नमेंट अपना काम कर रही है जितने तरीके से करना चाहिए। जैसे जो भी है अभी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए हमारे 1800 करोड़ का जो भी उनका टाइप हुआ है वो भी कर रहे हैं, नए स्ट्रक्चर्स तैयार हो रहे हैं। आप जाओ अगर हमारे हाईवे पकड़ो यहाँ से लेके सीधा हीरानगर तक, या बीच में हमारे स्टेशन आते थे, जैसे सांबा के स्टेशन आते थे, फिर विजयपुर के स्टेशन होते हैं, वहाँ पर भी अब जो चौक के फ्लाईओवर्स है वो भी बन रहे हैं ताकि ट्रैफिक जैम जितने कम से कम हो सके। तो देर आर हो रही हैं चीज़ें, तो एक्सपेक्टेशन तो हमारी हमेशा रहती ही हैं। तो किसी लोगों पे नहीं भी खड़ी रहती गवर्नमेंट, ऐसी बात नहीं है, पर चलो वो भी अपना काम कर रहे हैं और हम भी अपना काम करेंगे वोट देके उनको।
थैंक यू। सेम क्वेश्चन अप्लाई टू यू।
या हेलो, माय नेम इज सहदेव। देखो, मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि जो गवर्नमेंट हमारी कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर पे खर्चा करती है, जैसे कि क्लीनलीनेस पे, वो सही से नहीं हो पाता है स्टेट में। जैसे कि मैं कल देख रहा था कि फ्लाईओवर्स पे जो डिवाइडर्स हैं उनको पेंट किया जा रहा था, तो आई डोंट थिंक कि वो इतना ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट था। मैं देखता हूँ हर 6 महीने में उनको पेंट किया जाता है वाइट ब्लैक, तो मुझे लगता है उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा लेबर चार्जेस मतलब इन्वॉल्व होते हैं। इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट गवर्नमेंट कर सकती है कि डस्टबिन्स लगा सकती है। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो कि हर जगह गंद होता है ये वो, तो हर थोड़े डिस्टेंसेस पे गवर्नमेंट को डस्टबिन्स लगाने चाहिए सो दैट सिटी उस तरीके से क्लीन हो। साथ में मैंने देखा था कुछ पेंटिंग्स बना रहे थे, कुछ ना एम्बॉस्ड पेंटिंग्स बना रहे थे ब्रिजेस के नीचे, तो दैट वाज लाइक, आई गेस दैट वाज वेस्ट ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर। आई डोंट थिंक दैट वाज नेसेसरी। So
thank you so much.
Hello, hi, my name is Nishant Gupta. So
same question applies to you.
Okay, yeah, my expectation with government would be that electricity needs to be privatized, because I think from the past couple of years I've seen that कि जितनी भी हमारे यहाँ पे एक्सपेंशन हो रही है वो रुक रही है जस्ट बिकॉज टाइम पे हमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई नहीं होती। सो जैसे हमारे नेटवर्क्स हैं, जितने भी हमारे कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क्स हैं, जैसे वो इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गए हैं, जैसे जियो का नेटवर्क आ गया है नाउ। सो आई थिंक अभी हमारी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी अगर प्राइवेटाइज होगी तो मे बी वी वुड बी एबल टू अचीव, आई मीन, इन अ गुड पोजीशन मे बी।
नाइस वन। Shia, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too.
क्या expectations है, क्या change आप government से चाहते हैं कि इस साल में तब्दीलियाँ आए, बदलाव आए? I'm doing good. Happy New Year.
Thank you, same to you.
Kind of change and expectations you're having with the government. Okay, Anjali, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.